Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions out there this morning. We're going to continue to see the clouds thicken in the mid and low levels and move into the afternoon and evening hours. And with those thickening clouds, we'll have rain showers overspreading the area, becoming a steady rain by the late afternoon and evening hours, with possibility of some heavy rain by the evening hours tonight. Looking at the conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, seeing 57 degrees at Pax River yesterday. That was the warm spot across the area. Wallops here we at 56 degrees, most of the locations in the lower to mid 50s. Across region last night, seeing temperatures anywhere from the lower 40s to the upper 30s. Salisbury and Baltimore were the cool spots at 37 degrees. Here at Wallops we are 40 degrees. No precipitation last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region. As of 9 a.m. we are seeing anywhere temperatures ranging from the lower 40s to the lower 50s. We're seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to cloudy skies across the region. Temperature here at Wallops was 45 degrees. Looking at our sounding from 12Z this morning, we have a freezing level at 9,500 feet. Our winds out of the east, northeast, and low levels around 5 to 10 knots. You see our winds remaining fairly calm, or fairly light, I should say, up to 12,000 feet, around 5 to 10 knots, and switching direction above 6,000 feet out of the west-southwest. And when we move above that, we really see the winds increase with a west-northwesterly wind at 25,000 feet at 58 knots. Looking at our radar, infrared satellite, and surface observations, we see the rain shield starting to move towards our region from the southwest. It's continuing to do so fairly slowly as this area high pressure off to our northeast is kind of hanging on. We'll see that rainfall really overspread the area after 3 o'clock this afternoon, and a chance after noon for some rain showers, but looks like that steady rain will start about 1500 local today. Seeing our temperatures rise into the mid-50s this morning, continue to see that mid-40s, continue to see that upward trend into the mid to upper 50s for the afternoon hours. Let's see our winds turn more southeasterly as we move in the afternoon hours as well, and then finally back to the east with a stronger component as this area low pressure. It's going to provide us with the rainfall approaches from the south. Looking at our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have an area low pressure across the Gulf Coast states. It's going to move along the southeast coastline and up into our region for tomorrow morning. Out ahead of that, we'll have some rainfall and possibly heavy rainfall for the evening hours into the early overnight hours. And once that area low pressure does actually move over the region, we'll see the rainfall drop off, and we'll just see some lingering rain showers as that area low pressure moves off to the north of the Wallops region for tomorrow morning. Looking at our latest HER run, giving an idea of what the radar may look like for the afternoon hours. Here is 2 o'clock. You can see some rain showers kind of trying to overspread the area, moving to 3 o'clock, and then continuing on into the evening hours. We see that we have some fairly good amount of rainfall and some heavier rainfall overspreading the region, and it will become likely that we do see that rain in the area after 1500 local today. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's our midday planner with that rainfall approaching from the south. It's going to continue to overspread the area for the overnight time period with some heavy rainfall possible. A slight chance of a thunderstorm, but overall thunderstorm chances will remain low across the Wallops region. Here's our Saturday AM planner. You can see most of the rainfall off the north and to the east of the region as this area low pressure moves right overhead and then slowly off to the north and to the east for the Saturday afternoon hours, providing us with just some mostly cloudy to overcast skies. Here's our Saturday afternoon, looking like we'll have this area low pressure off to the north. We'll have more of a westerly component to our winds. That's going to allow us to see a little bit warmer temperatures tomorrow than we'll see today, probably about 10 degrees warmer tomorrow. And we're going to have a weak disturbance moving through during the evening hours on Saturday, late evening hours, possibly giving us a rain shower, but that looks like it's only going to be about 15 to 20% chance of occurring. And then for our Sunday, we'll have fairly nice conditions. We'll have a broad upper level trough over the eastern portion of the United States. However, we will be under a drier air mass over the Mid-Atlantic on Sunday, and that's going to allow for us to remain dry with just partly to mostly cloudy skies and fairly nice conditions overall. We'll have a system moving through for our Sunday night into Monday that's going to provide us with some rain showers. Looking at our risk chart for today, we have green condition this morning across the board. Then we move in the afternoon hours, we're seeing those rain showers starting to overspread the region, especially after 1500 local. And then by the evening into the early overnight hours, we'll see rain across the area, some of that heavy at times, and we'll have those winds starting to pick up, looking like the winds will gust about 34 knots at the peak time period after midnight, most likely running from about midnight to 2 or 3 in the morning. We'll see our strongest winds across the region. 34 knots is around 39 miles an hour, so seeing that wind stay under 40 miles per hour for the peak wind for this system. Our high today will be around 58 degrees. We'll see temperatures drop when the rainfall starts across the region and then actually rise during the evening and overnight hours. We'll see the temperature reach into the lower to mid 60s during the overnight time period, and will remain in the 60s for Saturday morning. With the cloud cover still in the region, not really going to see much of a drop. The temperature kind of remaining in the lower to mid 60s for our Saturday morning. For our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to have VFR conditions this morning. As we move into the afternoon hours, possibility of having a ceiling around 3,000 feet with some rain showers. And then by the late afternoon hours, we'll see that rain likely. And continuing on to the evening hours, we'll see a ceiling at 1,000 feet after 20 local, and a good chance of rain showers and a possibility of some moderate to heavy rainfall across the region, as well as a 15% chance of thunderstorms after 2300 local. And that'll run till 5 local on Saturday morning. By Saturday morning at 8 local, we'll just see some low cloudiness in the region, a possibility of some drizzle. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Saturday into Sunday, Saturday will have overcast skies, abundant low cloudiness, and a chance of a lingering rain shower or drizzle during the morning. Mostly cloudy to overcast during the afternoon and evening, and slightly breezy. It'll be warmer with a high of 69. That high looks like it should occur during the late morning hours on Saturday, and then temperatures should start to fall off during the afternoon into the mid-60s. We'll have an orange for precipitation, as well as an orange for our ceilings below 500 feet. Saturday night will be mostly to partly cloudy, a slight chance of a brief rain shower. Showers should end fairly early on Saturday if they do occur Saturday night, and we'll see a low of 52 degrees. Our yellow for precipitation, and for Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a rain shower by late evening with that extra system moving in for our Sunday night into Monday. We'll have a high of 65 degrees on Sunday with a green chart. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have the rainfall for Friday into Saturday morning. Looking like our total rainfall for this system will be between 1 to 2 inches across the peninsula. Saturday we'll have those lingering clouds across the area. Wouldn't be surprised if we go mostly cloudy for a time period during the late morning into the early afternoon hours on Saturday, before more clouds start to filter in from the west for the evening hours. And then Sunday we'll have a high of 65 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, especially late on Sunday, possibly seeing a period of partly cloudy skies during the morning on Sunday. And then Sunday night into Monday, we'll see those rain showers move through the region. Monday will be slightly cooler, a high of 60 degrees. Tuesday, we'll see an area high pressure building into the region. Earlier this week, it looked like Tuesday could be quite a chilly day, but the air mass associated with this area high pressure moving in on Tuesday looks like it will moderate quite quickly, and that will allow us to see temperatures in the lower 60s for highs on Tuesday. And then Wednesday and Thursday of next week, we'll have a ridge of high pressure building off the southeast coast, providing us with above normal temperatures and even a chance of a late day thunderstorm with a cold front moving through on Thursday, with temperatures in the lower to mid 70s on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Well, that's going to complete the weather briefing this morning at 10 a.m. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.